Are you tired of feeling miserable with a persistent cough and stuffy nose? Don't worry, we've got your back with some incredibly effective home remedies that will provide quick relief from cough and cold symptoms. These natural remedies are easy to make, cost-effective, and have been used for generations to combat respiratory ailments. Introduction: cough and cold are among the most common ailments that affect us all, especially during the changing seasons. While over-the-counter medications can provide temporary relief, they often come with unwanted side effects. That's why many people turn to natural home remedies, which not only alleviate symptoms but also boost your overall immunity. Honey and lemon. One of the most well-known home remedies for cough and cold is a combination of honey and lemon. Honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, while lemon is rich in vitamin C, which aids in boosting your immune system. Simply mix a tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon in a cup of warm water, and drink it twice a day. Ginger tea. Ginger is a powerhouse of natural compounds that can effectively combat respiratory issues. It has anti-inflammatory and decongestant properties, making it an excellent remedy for cough and cold. To make ginger tea, grate a small piece of fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for extra flavor and benefits. Turmeric milk. Turmeric, a golden spice revered for its medicinal properties, is an excellent choice for relieving cough and cold symptoms. It contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. To make turmeric milk, warm a cup of milk and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper, which enhances the absorption of curcumin. Salt water. Gargle. A simple but effective remedy for a sore throat caused by cough and cold is a salt water gargle. Salt has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, while the warm water can soothe your throat. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle with it for 30 seconds to a minute, repeating as needed. These home remedies are not only effective but also safe and natural, making them an excellent choice for people of all ages. However, if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's always advisable to consult a healthcare professional. With these remedies in your arsenal, you can bid farewell to cough and cold and embrace a healthier, more comfortable life.